I'm Will Sampson from the Woodworking Network and FDMC Magazine. We're in the shop today to talk about moto-tools. Now, moto-tools are a really handy tool for detail and repairs and working in both wood and metal and other materials. You know, the classic moto-tool, invented by Dremel, and so people generically call them Dremels, is, you know, something like this with a big cord on it. And, you know, I've used that for decades. Not too long ago, Dremel entered the cordless world. This is a 7350 model, very similar in size and shape and handling to the you know, the old corded version, but you don't have that cord to wrangle around, so kind of handy, but not real powerful. You know, the corded was still superior in that regard. Now Dremel has sent me what I would consider the first true pro-grade cordless version that they have. This is the 8260 model. It's quite a bit bigger than that, so it's not as handy in really small detail work, but it has a 12-volt battery that can be taken out and put into a charger instead of, you know, this one uses a USB cord that you can hook onto your computer. You know, and a hanging thing. It has other neat features. It has variable speeds going from 5,000 on up to 30,000. It also has a fuel gauge showing you how much electricity you have, yes, you know, in the battery. It has a collet lock, as does this one, so that it's easy to put things on. It will take all of, you know, there's hundreds of tools that will fit Dremels, and this one comes with just some cutoff tools and a little shaft to mount those cutoff tools on. But you can get all sorts of tools to go on depending on what you're using it for. I've used these for detailed carving and in metalworking repairs and inlay work on musical instruments. I even have a small little router attachment that I can put on this. It doesn't fit on these newer models that are a different shape, but I could work that out. You know, let's show you how it works. I'm going to take and put in a tool. And I'm just picking at random and tighten in the collet and turn it on. And so now, see, it'll go down to 5,000, which is pretty easy to work with. And even at that low speed, you're not going to, you press down, you're not going to stop it, and then you can dial it up. Full speed, 30,000. That works pretty good. I'm going to put it down a little bit to 20,000. You can see on here it has the speed, and it tells you, you know, you've got 2 out of 3 bars of charge in the battery. And it just stops right away. Handy, no coasting. So now let's compare that to the old one, the old cordless. Just one of the things that you'll see. Same tool. And same wrench. So now this one, a little quieter, but you hear it slowing down. You know, if I apply a lot of pressure, I can slow this one down. So it's not as powerful. But, you know, for a real detail kind of a thing, it might be just the ticket. So, you know, your mileage may vary, as they say. But I definitely like the ability to have one of these kind of tools and be able to work without a cord dangling around and getting in the way. So that's definitely something to consider, and definitely worth checking out. This is the Dremel 8260. If you're looking for a smaller, lighter version, there's the 7350. And I think they're equal in ability, basically, to the old corded models without the cord. So that's a very convenient thing. And definitely worth checking them out if you have a reason to be doing detailed work that a moto-tool could be handy for. Well, that's what we've got for today. You can see more product reviews and videos on our website at woodworkingnetwork.com or in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.